Yeah, I just have to film this. I want to film it during the night. I made a video during the day. I'm not sure if I'm going to load that on YouTube, but this just all got put up today. What's really cool about this is I live literally less than 50 yards from this. So I walk out in front of my home, and here you have Osmina Park, the arena where everything goes on. Basketball, ping pong, martial arts, volleyball, ballroom dancing is currently going on there right now. Seniors and juniors, but the reason I'm making the video is this is so reminiscent of an American campground. For example, like to me it reminds me of a place called Cherrystone Family Park in Chesapeake Bay, Virginia. You know, where there's always music, there's always food, barbecue, people, picnic tables. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make this video. I'm not gonna say too much. I'm gonna stroll up the middle of this and I'm not gonna try to fire up anybody. I'm just gonna see how many smiles we can pick out here. And there's the first two right there. Oh yeah, here we go. Hello. Hello. Oh, I better cut the video because I have to talk to you.
Hi, John.
Well, now you know my name, you know. Yeah, my name is David. David. Yeah, that's it. Okay.
Tanjay City Rocks.
But that's it.